Welcome back everyone. Are you looking to safeguard your sensitive data and keep prying eyes away from your precious spreadsheet? You have come to the right place. In this YouTube tutorial, we will show you how to enable password protection for your Excel files. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and confidence to secure your important data and ensure it remains accessible only to those with right credentials. Let's dive right in.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the file that I want to protect with password. To enable the protection with password, I have to go to the file and then I have to go to the save as. Then I will click the browse. I will save this file on the desktop. You can see a button with the save, that is tool. So I will click this button and now select the journal option. In the journal option, I can enable password to open and password to modify, which means that the first option is the password that if I enable, we have to give this password whenever we want to open this file, and the second password is actually to modify it. This type of password is enabled when you want to share your file with the others but you don't want them to modify it. So I'm going to write a password over here. Another thing to notice is that you should always remember this password, otherwise you will lose your file. After writing the password, I will click the OK. It will ask me to confirm the password. So I will repeat this password and press OK. Again, the second password which was set for the modification, I will write the second password and then again press OK. And then I'll press save. So after this, I am going to close this file. Now you can see that our file is saved on the desktop. I am going to click to open it. So now you can see that a pop-up window is open and it is asking me to provide password. So I will write the password that I have set and then press OK. After writing the first password, it is again asking me to enter another password, that is actually to modify it. So if I don't need to modify it, I can open the read-only file. So I have opened this file in the read-only mode. So now because the file is open in the read-only mode, if I make some changes and then try to save it, it will give me an error message. So now I am going to close this file again. And now from the desktop, I am going to open this file. This time I will provide both password. First password to open this file and second password to modify it. And now I am in the mode that I can make any changes in the file and also I can save those changes in my file. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to add an extra layer of security to your Excel file through password protection. By following the simple steps you have covered, you can now confidently safeguard your sensitive data and keep it safe from unauthorized access. Remember, protecting your spreadsheet with strong password is a crucial step in maintaining data integrity and confidentiality. So keep your data secure and work worry-free with Excel's password protection feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.